This is the president of barbecue, Rob Crowder. And today we're going to be making something that is absolutely delicious, peanut butter pie. So come on back in a few minutes and I'll show you how to make it. So I'm now making my mother's peanut butter pie. What I've got here, it's a very simple recipe and something that you would really like to share with your family. So what I've got here is 6 ingredients. I've got cream cheese. You can see it's 8 ounces. I'm doing 2 batches of this. Doing 2/3 of a cup of peanut butter. An ordinary would be a 1/3. I've got 2 cups of powdered sugar and 16 ounces of Cool Whip. Getting ready to pour milk into this, and then I'm going to go over and beat it, and then I'm going to put it in the graham cracker crust pie shells. And this is what the peanut butter pies will look like once they're done. I just squirted some chocolate sauce on top, and I always end out with extra filling. I guess I should probably be using the deep dish ones. These will now go into the freezer until they're ready and have set up. This is my mother's presidential peanut butter pie recipe. I hope you enjoy it.